have to work with this motherfucker one day, man. Jamaica, man. Here you have so much history, but you don't even know. But I'm here tonight to, juggle your memory and let you know and make you understand. As you see me, I come from a far place from Burna, Nigeria, but I'm still Jamaican. You're all Nigerian. So it's only right that I'm here tonight, man. And I feel so blessed and honored, man.
You don't know this show representing for 876 music. So I give you a preview of what go on from Burna Boy show. You see me? I tell you say yo, I never go there. I watch it online. Yeah, I saw the thing set, you see me? I tell you say yo, viewing the thing online, I tell you say the thing turn up. Yeah man, the thing turn up. The show was hosted by Miss Kitty, you see me? Performance them, they don't know, fully energized like how Burna Boy himself, always energetic, you see me? First person to touch the stage show was Leela Ike. She turned it up, you see me? Then following up with Popcorn performance, Tanya, Sai, and perform Bear Summons, you see me? And Imaru Tafa. Yeah man, the man, turn up the thing. Then something did go on. I don't know what did go on still, but Miss Kitty have to come back on stage and fix some things, you see me? Yeah man, she sort out and apologize to some people. I don't know why, but you don't know. Then Burna Boy touch the stage, you see me? Mash it up. Yeah man, mash up the stage, you see me? Man bring on Sirani, you see me? Man I'll give some big ups to Jamaica, you see me? Big ups to Jamaica, you know? Janos time I'll fumble over some of my words. But yeah man, the man say, even though I'm a Nigerian man, he's still a Jamaican, you see me? Yeah man, then the man just continue with the performance.
Man, what's about this crowd how it feels to be on the stage right now in front of you, Jamaica. This feels like a homecoming. You understand? This feels like a long-lost brother coming to see his long-lost brothers and sisters. This is fucking amazing, and I can't begin to thank each and every one of you enough for coming out. On that note, we're going to turn up tonight. Let's go! I wanna be
So the Jamaican crowd response, you see me? I tell you say the people them love it. You see me? The people them response was great because whole heap of people touch out, you see me? Whole heap of people touch out and show them respect and them a sing along while the man a performing song them. I tell you see me? So with each song I'm set, you see me, man perform the whole entire song. And some Jamaican artists we can learn from that, you see me? Just me, man perform each time song them, the whole thing. You see me? Yeah man. And as me say, as Jamaican artists, young artists, big artists, we can learn from them things. You see me? Last was the biggest song in Jamaica for the summer. And the man come burn it up in the end of the year, December. You see me? Yeah man. Keep the fire burning. People them love it, man. Love the performance, man. Love to see what go on. See me? Yeah man, and let's check out what go on. I don't know. Subscribe to the channel 876 Music.
Young cars, last, now everybody go to breakfast.